Hi everybody, welcome to Love Always Angie. I'm really glad you're here. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, would you? Because it really helps me grow my channel. I'm doing a clean with me today, and you're going to get some major cleaning motivation because we have been out and about all weekend, and then yesterday it rained. I'm going to show you what the house looks like because with the crazy busy weekend, we were just in and out and in and out. And I'll put a card up above to that video, and it'll also be listed at the end of this video. So you can check out that vlog if you like. But our house suffered for it. You're going to get a pretty surprising view of our house. It does not look like this very often. And so you're going to see it in all of its messy glory today. This is what the living room currently looks like. We have the dog bed in the middle of the floor. We have dog toys in the middle of the floor. We have shoes all over. We have a new vacuum that I have not used because I wanted to see just how much dirt it picks up off of the floor. And we have the table where we sit is just riddled with stuff. And then this is how I was editing and doing things yesterday. I just stole Phil's bar stool and set my laptop there, and I was huddled under my blanket. There's some more dog toys. The kitchen is where the bulk of the mess is because this is where we come in and out. So that's just a pan of water that we boil for humidity. But you guys, look. And even the sink is full. So yeah. We have to get busy because this is just bad. Like this is just bad. My house doesn't look like this very often, but this is what it looks like today. So let's get it cleaned up.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Just like a me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
So I went to Walmart with my mom last weekend because she wanted to she lives in assisted living, and the little hallway that she's in, they call them avenues. So for their birthdays, they give out treats to the people that live on their avenues. So she wanted to get some treats. And I was walking by the vacuum area, and they had a bunch of vacuums on sale. So I didn't get the cheapest vacuum, but I didn't get an expensive vacuum either. I think this was $84 is what I want to say. They had them for $40 and $50, but when I looked up the reviews, they said they broke really easily. Like the actual plastic pieces broke. So we had good luck with the Bissell before. We had a $60 Bissell that worked really well. And the only reason it stopped working is because we ran over a screw when we were vacuuming Sean's room. The light burnt out of it, but the vacuum itself was fine. So you can see this is brand new. There's no dirt in there at all. So we're going to power this thing up and see just how much disgusting stuff is on this floor. I'm kind of afraid to do this, you guys. I'm really kind of afraid to see just how bad the carpets are.
I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah, choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
One, not even that thorough pass of the living room carpet. We're going to empty this and keep vacuuming. The other thing, you guys, this has a Febreze filter in it in here. My house smells so good right now. I might have to open up the doors because it's pretty strong, but so it might trigger a migraine, but I'm really liking that it smells good at the same time as clean. Now let's see how much we get up on the second pass.
Got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this.
So not nearly as much on the second pass as we got on the first pass, but that's still an awful lot of dog hair. I'm gonna do the living room carpet one more time, and then I'm gonna do the rugs in the kitchen.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
That's 3 passes of the vacuum on just the living room carpet.
You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Okay guys, so this is from the 2 rugs in the kitchen. Nothing else, just those 2 rugs. That's disgusting. Worth $84? Yeah, every penny of it and more. Absolutely. Okay, as you can see, the kitchen is cleaned up. Counters are cleaned. Stove is cleaned. Table is clear. Rugs look amazing. The vacuum did a great job. Living room is cleaned. Everything's dusted and put away. These are the things that Phil uses to cross stitch every day so they stay out unless company's coming. I'm reading that book and drinking my coffee. Sophie's recovering from the trauma of having the floor vacuumed, and the dog hair is gone.